Hi, I'm Noonies. Thanks for watching Adventures with Noonies. No, I have not fallen off the face of the earth. I'm going to try to make this under a minute because my phone keeps running out of storage, which is one of the issues I've been having why there hasn't been a video. That is partially my fault. Well, most of it's my fault because I've already printed 100 pictures and deleted, no, 200 pictures and deleted them, and I'm still out of space. And those pictures are from 2019. So that's issue one, why I haven't made a video. Issue two is I've been sick. You might be able to hear it in my voice. I don't know. I can hear it. It sounds rough. I have wheezing, shortness of breath, pain in my chest, a lot of coughing, and my throat hurts. I've had it for about 3 weeks, and yes, I'm doing what I always preach to people not to do, and that is I'm not going to the doctor until probably Monday if I'm still sick because I'm too busy at work. So we're on a minute now, so we gotta hurry up and make this fast. Secondly, good things are happening, which is preventing me from doing it. I went to Gatlinburg with my daughter and her family. We did not hike. We had lots of fun though. I may make a video, I may not, but that will clear up some space if I can put the video pictures in there. And then I did figure out how to download it to the cloud where my provider is. So that was issue two, or three, sickness, storage, that. And then last weekend, so much fun. We had Friday, my daughter's fiance's folks came in from out of town. We saw the venue where the wedding's going to be next year. And then Saturday was the engagement party. And I've given my code to my daughter's fiance's mom and my daughter. So whatever it is, I hope it's not pneumonia. Oh, my nails look horrible. I hope it's not pneumonia or bronchitis. I'll deal with it, whatever it is. Excuse me. And then, oh, Sunday, she got her dress and it's beautiful on her. And I can't show you. I'll show you next year because I don't want her fiance to see it. So with that said, yay, I haven't run out of time yet. I was planning on doing a video on Gatlinburg and I ran out of space trying to do the recap at the last day. So thank you for watching Adventures with Noonies. I do appreciate you.